Hey guys, welcome back to my dad's channel, Hollywood Stan. He just bought something very new. I hope you guys are being safe. So I am excited for my dad to see you guys, and so he's going to get to it. He bought something new and it's really cool. Some people have it, some people don't, but yeah. So he's gonna come on now. Come on.
So with no further ado, here it is. Yeah, the new MAVIC AIR 2 Fly More combo. Bare minimum without the Fly More combo is $7.99, so it ain't $100. This one here was $9.88, but with taxes and all that, it came to like $1,050. To me, it's a good investment, especially when you want to do videography, videography and photos and things like that. So, once again, without further ado, let's unbox this nice material here, and as you can see right there, it says DJI MAVIC. Okay, so we're gonna open it up. And see what we got. There we are. The MAVIC AIR 2, yes. Let's take out, all right, so we're gonna take out the controller first here. Look at that. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Quality, man, quality. Love DJI. And we're gonna go, nice little separation in there. We're gonna go, I don't know what this is. There. And I'm assuming that the other battery will probably be on the drone itself. Maybe they put it on there. So I'm supposed to get 3 batteries with this Fly More combo. And let's take it out. Let's see. Yep, and there it is. There's the 3rd battery on top. You got your protective case for the gimbal. It's nothing more than just a little plastic thing. Got all your ABC things there to guide you through the, I guess, the assembly process. But let me tell you, this is my first one like this. I had a DJI Phantom 3 and I loved it. But I wanted to move on up, so I sold it to a kid and his grandfather out in Cockeysville, Maryland. And now I have this one and I'm very excited, very excited. So when I get a chance to get it up and fly, I will let you guys see it. Okay, and I'll show you some of the video and things like that. Yeah, so I just did the unveiling of the MAVIC AIR 2 drone that I just got from DJI, and I'm about to put this thing together and probably within the next day or so do some aerial photography, video footage, things like that, and hopefully you guys will like. For all of those out there, I appreciate your support, and as they say on YouTube, give it a thumbs up, thumbs down, like, subscribe, all that good stuff if you find this video interesting or not. Either way, I appreciate your support and the time that you even took to click on this video. All right, once again, it's all amateur, so I'm not, I'm still working on the professional stuff and see how things go over a course of time, and there will be more videos to come. All right, until then, peace out, God bless, stay safe.